FBA crew, what it do? It's your boy KP back again with another workout video. And in today's video, we're going to continue the natural no-nos, things natural shouldn't do. Episode number 2. And this episode is going to be about partial reps. You may ask yourself, KP, what exactly is a partial rep? A rep is a rep that is not taken through the full range of motion. So if you're doing a bench press, right, and you come 3 inches off your chest, then you go back down, and you go 3 inches up, then you take it back down, that's a partial rep. You're not doing the full range of motion. Come all the way down, touch your chest, push it all the way up. You don't have to lock your elbows out, right? Because just because you don't lock your elbows out, that's not full range of motion to me. I don't really like locking out all the time on every rep. Sometimes you just want to just rep it out. But technically, a full range of motion is, to lock out. And you have to excuse my baby. She's in the background making noise when she hey, I'm trying to make a video. You want to talk? Anyway, I'm just joking. So we have to understand that if you do part of the range of motion, you only gonna get part of the muscle. And we're not in this game to be getting parts of anything. We want all the muscle we can get because listen, we are naturals. Okay? You do not want to leave any muscle underneath that bar. Okay? This is my Denzel Washington impression. Okay? Huh? You do not want to. I'm gonna have to go Pelican Bay. I don't really do a good Denzel impersonation, but no partial reps, all full. You're taking everything to its full range of motion, so that way we can get the full benefit in building the muscle. Okay? So, like these deadlifts right here, right? Bam, all the way down, all the way up, extend the hips, down. And this is my first time back deadlifting. This is gonna be my working set. I haven't deadlifted in like a year and a half, and this is my first time back. I didn't know I was gonna be able to do 405. I thought that 315 was gonna be my max, the top set for me, but the 315 went pretty well, so I decided to go up 2 more plates. And by my surprise, I got that thing moving. But anyway, full range of motion for naturals, okay? I will never in my life use partial reps because they're not necessary. And I would argue that no one needs to use partial reps. If you have sticking points in certain movements, I still believe that you should use the full range of motion to get through and those sticking points and to make yourself stronger. Like if you're bench pressing and your sticking point is off your chest, you should do things like try pause benching, right? If your sticking point is like 3 inches off your chest, then to me, that says you need to generate more power coming off your chest. Pause benching will help you out a lot. If it's hard for you to lock out your bench press at the top, don't do partial reps. Make them triceps stronger. Do some dips, right? Build those triceps up like I'm doing right here in this clip. Full range of motion, up, down, parallel with the ground, elbows up, down, triceps parallel with the ground, pause, up. That's full range of motion, baby. So what you can take from this video is full range of motion all day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with everybody. And until next time, my FBA crew, stay strong, baby. We out.